Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by having your debit card, device passcode, and bank login ready. This avoids interruptions. Open the Wallet app, tap the plus icon, select Debit Card, and either scan the card with the camera or type the numbers manually. Once you add the card, the bank will require verification. They'll send an SMS code, push notification in the bank app, or request a short call. Enter the code, then make sure the wallet shows the card is active before moving on. Once done adding the card, set it as your default if you prefer quick checkout. Go to Settings, Wallet, and Apple Pay, then pick the debit card. Next, enable Face ID or Touch ID and ensure your device passcode is active. Apple Pay requires biometric or passcode authentication for security. After that, test the setup with a small purchase at a terminal. Hold your phone near the contactless reader, authenticate, and confirm the transaction. This verifies authorization and shows you how prompts appear. You finish by using the card in stores and apps. In stores, double-click the side button or home button, authenticate, then hold the top of the device near the reader until you see done. For in-app or web purchases, choose Apple Pay at checkout, confirm shipping and billing details, then authenticate to complete. If a payment fails, first check the card status in Wallet and your network connection. Make sure the bank hasn't flagged the card, and re-verify.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.